This is a good look for your kitchen, isn't it? You can't tell the difference between the refrigerator and the actual cabinet. Integrated refrigeration has been a hot trend in kitchens for years. It's an all refrigerator, all freezer, or combination, measuring less than 24 inches in depth to fit within your 24-inch cabinet. In this video, you'll learn the best brands, which are Paykel, JennAir, Thermador, and Sub-Zero. Integrateds are the most expensive units per square foot, ranging up to $15,000 for really a 48-inch refrigerator. Learn the best brands. You'll also learn a few tricks to turn any refrigerator into an integrated flush look. For that, you also have to know the differences between built-in and counter depth refrigerators. You know, the terms column, integrated, shallow depth, counter depth, and pro counter depth are often used interchangeably and are admittedly confusing. So be sure to clarify some of those for you as well. This video will focus on panel models. You'll see prices for the most popular models in each brand. All these refrigerators have stainless doors you can buy as an accessory. Well, both are considered built-in refrigerators and can accept panels. The main differences are in the width and depth, although integrated refrigerators can be shorter in some cases. Integrateds are smaller and are mostly designed to be purchased in sets of two, although you can buy one larger size. For example, you buy the Thermador 30-inch refrigerator for $54.99 and an 18-inch freezer for $59.99 instead of a 48-inch refrigerator. You can also customize and place your refrigeration anywhere. Sizes range from the smaller 18 and 24-inch sizes to 30 and 36-inch widths. Counter depths, also called shallow depth, is deeper for more total cubic footage than an integrated refrigerator. It's also less expensive per cubic foot than an integrated unit. You can buy them as a regular counter depth, so they look like regular shallow refrigerators, but all these are all stainless except for one model. Pro counter depths look like a restaurant refrigerator with a compressor on the top, and are taller at 84 versus 69 to 72 for a regular refrigerator. Sizes are the more standard 30 and 36, as well as the larger 42 and 48 inch sizes. Integrated depth is designed to be flush to your 24-inch cabinet. Counter depth varies, but the refrigerator depth is 24 plus the depth of the door, which is usually around 2 to 3 inches. In other words, an integrated is flush, whereas the door only will protrude on the counter depth. You can design any counter depth to look integrated with this one trick. Build your cabinets out to 27 inches so it will look flush to the cabinet. And if you want to save a lot of money, KitchenAid is the only regular shallow depth refrigerator with the ability to accept panels. However, it has a black trimmer on the door, so it ruins the look unless you build the cabinet out. This refrigerator is the lowest price at $34.99 by far for 22 cubic feet. Integrated built-ins are available in all different styles. You have what the industry calls columns, tricky parlance to mean either all refrigerator or freezer, although just for confusion it can also mean both. Then you have all different types of combinations. Thermador will have a French door, while Sub-Zero has a number of different drawer type of configurations. Just know you can buy an integrated refrigerator a ton of different ways. Let's finally look at the best brands to consider. Paykel is an appliance company based out of New Zealand owned by Haier. In the US market, they're best known for manufacturing narrow width counter depth refrigerators and dishwasher drawers. It's the only basic refrigerator on this list besides integrating that KitchenAid counter depth with panels, but you don't have to build your cabinets out because it's naturally flush. It looks like a regular refrigerator at $6,000. It's the cheapest regular integrated by far. Price is aggressive, however, it's tough to install a panel in this unit. It's available in just one size. It also lacks the height like other column refrigerators. Availability has been poor in this unit, then again, availability has been poor for almost every brand. For the next three, you'll see prices for the most popular combinations of 30-inch refrigerator and 18-inch freezer. Thermador is one of the first companies to introduce column refrigeration in the US in its current sizes. Sub-Zero had the first with the odd size of 27-inch width. They upgraded their refrigerators in 2017 with new customizable bins, a new touchscreen display, and a push-to-open door. Easier to open with your hands full than pulling a handle. Thermador now has stainless steel interior to keep food colder. They added Wi-Fi so you can access the refrigerator remotely through your phone via Thermador's Home Connect app. The water purification has been upgraded to filter 99.1%. Thermador is the most widely sold luxury brand because it offers a decent price along with a strong rebate program. Thermador offers features Sub-Zero doesn't with stainless and Wi-Fi, but they still lack the nanotechnology shelving to stop spills from spreading and the comprehensive package of keeping food fresher like the main rival Sub-Zero. JennAir is newer to integrated refrigerators and they're full featured. They were amongst the first with Wi-Fi connectivity, along with Decor, owned by Samsung. They were the first to be compatible with Amazon's Alexa. JennAir's 3-zone temperature management system allows you to customize the temperatures between multiple zones for different foods. There are 2 zones for the crispers and 1 for the main compartment. The freezer has 2 as well as more than any other brand. The interior is striking and well lit. The shelving is smart. Along with Sub-Zero, JennAir uses nanotechnology on their shelves so spills congeal and do not spread. Cleaning grape juice or milk in a refrigerator is tough, but these shelves will keep the spill on the shelf and not all over your refrigerator. JennAir also has attractive rebates as well for a whole kitchen. Well thought out refrigerator with temperature management, Wi-Fi, and better shelving along with a stainless interior. However, the availability is just poor and has been for years. They also did not address ethylene gases to keep food fresher like Sub-Zero. Sub-Zero was the original industry pioneer for built-in refrigeration about 50 years ago. They actually manufactured the first column, as I said, but at the odd 27-inch size. They still have the best seal, so air cannot infiltrate into your refrigerator to spoil your food. Crispers are magnetized, so they're closed better, not letting air into the crisper. The air scrubber scrubs the ethylene gases off spoiling foods and eliminates cross-contamination, so foods stay fresher longer. Sub-Zero makes more larger size options at 30 and 36 inch. The most model options, years of manufacturing, made in the US options for internal water. They have the best filtering and air scrubbing, which prolong food life. Sub-Zero is number 1 because food lasts longer in the refrigerator. We tested Sub-Zero against 4 other brands. Sub-Zero just performed better. However, the interior is not as flashy as some of the others. There's no external water dispenser options. You can't customize the bins like Thermador or push the door open with your hands full. The interior is not stainless. Sub-Zero is a company that doesn't have Wi-Fi in any of their appliances. It's not a problem yet, but as the functionality improves, allowing you to do more, it could be in the future. First, know you can buy that look in several different ways without spending as much money by changing the refrigerator cabinet to match the depth of your refrigerator. In terms of the 4 brands, Paykel is the least expensive. JennAir has some nice options as well with 3 zones. But really, integrated refrigerators are dominated by Thermador and Sub-Zero. So do you buy the functionality of the Thermador with a better rebate program, or is it Sub-Zero with a better food preservation system? Click the link in the description below to download a free refrigerator buying guide and to learn more about popular units with in-depth comparisons of all the most popular brands, answers to frequently asked questions, and buying strategies to save you money. Thanks for watching.